Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be playing Island Royale Team Deathmatch. This is my favourite game mode on here. So what we have to do is deploy. I'm actually pretty good at this game. I haven't played this game in months, so it's pretty fun to play it. I did have a little bit of warm up, you know, just like to get used to it, like fingers ready, you know, just for the video, you know. Oh, here, making it. I need to work on my aim a little better. A lot. I mean, a lot. My aim is not that good at all. See, look at that aim, bro. I could hit every single one of those shots if I practice. That's why I need a warm up. Was a good shot. 22, I think that was. 22 again, and another enemy, and I'm dead. I hate it when you get third party, because I would have killed him easily. I've got barely any money in this game, guys. Ooh. I'm loving this new mic, by the way, guys. I put a picture of it on Instagram. Maybe 2 kills here? No, I have to get just this. Oh flip, I messed up. This gun was a fight, fam. Oh, he's dead. Where are these enemies at? How fast you can shoot this shotgun? I'm doing awful, bro. Normally I would be killing everyone. And let's just do some 90s on here, okay? Let me just practice some 90s. Oh god, what was that? Oh my god. Kill myself. And then I'll deploy. Oh yeah, I just remembered we ended up 150 minutes. Oh, I see someone really far down. There we go. Oh, flip with the flip. The hell is going on? Okay, oh, let's do a bunny hop, yeah? Oh. Hopefully maybe a kill here. Oh yeah, I forgot to change my shotgun, please. My shotgun isn't in the correct place. What? Let's go. Oh. Let's go. Why is my screen like that? Normally it was fine. Wait, let's try to go underneath the map. Where am I going? Oh, there's people here. Shh, shh, shh. Don't tell them. Alright, use the kill one to go now. Look at this builds, boys. Look at these builds, fam. He wants it on 1 HP, yeah? If I can kill this guy, I'm best. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Just gonna run away. You know, sneak back around, you know, and then you gotta go bop. That's how you get these kills, you know? So why is he Johnny chasing me down, bro? Like, leave me alone, bro. If I kill this guy, bro, Now another guy's hit. I'm 100% dead. Now I'm stuck in this. This is not going well. You like reloading. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you don't, then a cockroach will crawl in your mouth when you're sleeping at night. And you will have no idea. So you better like and subscribe. So otherwise you would have something really bad in that time. Even if you live in Antarctica, I'll send one all the way over there just to go crawl in your mouth. Even though nobody lives there, you're gonna have one. If you do live there. Is this an enemy? Oof! Oof! Oh! Ow! Ow! He hit me! Oh, 0 kills. Thing that make you a world. Thing that make you a world. Don't like and subscribe in the next 5 seconds. A bomb will come and eat your face off. Wait. You have to hit your shots like this, boing. And they're like this. I'm just gonna hit your shots, kids. Is there another enemy? Oh yeah, there is. Is he building on me or is he just lagging? Oh. Bro, he hit no shots and then as soon as he hit one shot, it was the one that killed him. Get the orange thing. Oh, you got the orange. Just trying to pee people off. So I'm gonna spam crouch every time I kill someone, yeah? Wait, so did I actually edit the video actually? Just I wasn't paying attention. Sorry for that. My recording stopped. So what I'm going to be doing is just going on Roblox now. No, not Roblox. Sorry, YouTube. I just left the game. I can't even spell. So I just. Oh, this headset really hurts my ear. So I'm not just going to go on YouTube. Look at my mouse, yeah. Look at it. Is it flinching for you guys? Netflix. Oh, maybe you have to pay. Maybe I don't know. Let's have a look at Netflix. Netflix, what TV? Is for free? So 30 days free. Nah. So the 8 minutes of recording. I've been really recording for 8 minutes right now, guys. Not a million subscribers. Today? Yeah. Okay, thanks. Let's just watch one movie. Guys, I actually have to go. It was 2 seconds because I am going to come to the airsoft with me. So, yeah. Casino. Okay, I thought it was nice. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Peace.